Hi everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. Today I am going to show you how to make an I-cord. An I-cord can be used for many different things in crochet projects, but it's used for like a drawstring or something where you need a rope. So let's get started and take a look. It's rather simple. I used larger yarn so that you could really see the details on how to do this stitch. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to start with a slip knot. After your slip knot, you're going to do a chain 2. You'll have one loop on your hook after the chain 2, and you're going to go into that very first chain with your hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. You'll still have 2 loops on your hook after you do this. Now you're going to take off that loop. Don't be afraid, hold on to it, just make sure it doesn't slip out because it's still part of your working yarn. So you're going to yarn over and go through the one loop that's on your hook, leaving one loop. Now go back to that loop that you took off, put it back on your hook, make sure everything is even and tighten it up, yarn over and go through the first loop. Still 2 loops on your hook. Take off that loop, make sure that it doesn't slip out, yarn over, pull up a loop, 1 loop on your hook, and then 2 after you put that one that you took off on. I like to tighten things up so that the cord is nice and consistent, but sometimes when you take that second loop off, what happens is it gets really loose and it doesn't make a consistent rope or drawstring when you're done. So you're just going to keep doing that. And like I said, part of it is just making sure everything stays tight. If you are using thinner yarn, that second loop does not hold its shape sometimes as well, so make sure you really hold on to it. There is also a 3 loop I-cord, which does make a wider rope. So I don't really know how to do that one completely, and once I do, I will share that with you as well. But it just does take some practice. Taking off that loop when I first did it was a little scary because I kept dropping it. But I do want to say, once you get the hang of it, pretty cool little tool in your arsenal. Thank you all for stopping by. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos. Hit subscribe. And also, I'm loading more things into my Etsy shop every day. So stop by there as well. Get your Epic Crocheter t-shirt. And as always, peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care.